if you're seeing this, go ahead and do me a favor and support my channel and subscribe and like this video if you can, which you can. In any case, this is looking pretty good. Everything I did in the last video paid off. Everything is hardened up, so that basically means that it's dry underneath. Otherwise it wouldn't kick up at all. So I'm going to give this a quick skim over with the grinder, and I'll be able to put some glass on it. Okay, so that's what I did. I went and skimmed that over the grinder, smoothed the corner a little bit, rounded the corner a little bit so that the glass will sit over that nicely, and I'll probably put 2 to 3 layers of matting on here. Probably the third being just in the center. I like to feather the glass in, so there's not a whole lot of grinding after the fact. So let me do that. Got a little bit of scrap matting here, and I'll just go ahead and cut that into the sizes that I want. So I cut up a couple, or teared up a couple swatches and some smaller pieces for the smaller areas and low spots. Easy enough. When I do that instead of one piece, I do this because it's just, I don't have to fight with gravity, essentially. And it's just less mess and less time and less everything, except for productivity. Okay.